Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will quickly discuss few important questions of various topics for class 10 ICSE maths, and I have taken these questions from various sample papers. So let's quickly see these questions. ये questions मुझे important लगा. So first question trigonometry का है. We have to prove that sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equal to 5 plus secant square a cosecant square a. Now trigonometric identities बहुत easy है, बहुत बच्चों को इसमें डर लगता है, पर ये बहुत easiest topic है. Just LHS लिखो, RHS में see what is needed and accordingly proceed करो. One is trigonometric identities use करके solve हो सकता है, cross multiplication. Thirdly, change everything in terms of sin and cos, okay, and rationalization. ठीक है, so ये सब different methods है जिससे you can prove trigonometric identities easily. So here we have LHS sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. Expand करेंगे यहाँ पे तो पहले. So you have sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus this is cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a secant a. So this is sin square a plus cos square a. ये दोनों we can combine this. So this is 1 plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a. Cosecant a is 1 by sin a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into secant a is 1 by cos a. इसको directly cancel नहीं करना है. You have to show the reciprocal relation. Now we have this is 1 plus cosecant square a. This becomes 2 plus secant square a and this is cos a cancel हो जाएगा. This is 2, so 2 plus 2 plus 1, so ये 5 हो गया plus cosecant square a plus secant square a. So RHS में भी needed 5, तो 5 मिल गया. अब इसका देखना है कि secant square a cosecant square a कैसे आएगा. It's very easy. Write cosecant square a as 1 by sin square a, secant square a is 1 by cos square a. So this becomes 5 plus this is cos square a plus sin square a upon sin square a cos square a. This is 1 हो गया. So 5 plus this is 1 upon sin square a cos square a. ठीक है, so this is 5 plus 1 by sin square a cos square a is secant square a cosecant square a, and that is our RHS. So 5 plus secant square a cosecant square a, so मिल गया हमें 5 plus secant square a cosecant square a RHS. Okay. Next question, x plus 2 is a factor of 3x plus 4 whole cube minus 5x plus a whole cube. We have to find a. Now सबसे पहले this x plus 2 is a factor of this, तो इसको हम लोग we have to denote this polynomial by fx or px or anything. ठीक है, so let fx equal to 3x plus 4 whole cube minus 5x plus a whole cube. Okay, now what is given? X plus 2 is a factor of fx. तो यहाँ पे क्या use करेंगे? We will use factor theorem. Since x plus 2 is a factor, by factor theorem f of minus 2 is 0. You have to mention the theorem you are using. या तो यहाँ पे mention करना है और mention this in the bracket. So f of minus 2, find f of minus 2 and put it equal to 0. f of minus 2 is 3 into minus 2 plus 4 whole cube minus 5 into minus 2 plus a whole cube and put it equal to 0. So ये हो गया minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 cube minus इधर हो गया minus 10 plus a whole cube equal to 0. So this is minus 2 cube equal to this term, we will shift it to RHS. So this becomes minus 10 plus a whole cube. Now take cube root on both sides. So we get minus 2 is minus 10 plus a. So minus 2 plus 10 equal to a. So we have 10 minus 2, 8. So a equal to 8. This is 2. यहाँ पे गलती हो गया था. So minus 2 is minus 10 plus a है. So यहाँ से a will be 8. Okay. Next question, coordinate geometry का है. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining A4 to B minus 3 minus 5. We have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means there are two things here. One is bisect करता है, so you have a midpoint. And secondly, you have perpendicular. Okay, and you have to find the equation. Line segment क्या है? A4 to B minus 3 minus 5. इसका भी perpendicular bisector we will draw. So PM, draw a rough figure and then do the question, because figure draw करेंगे तो you will understand कि what you have to do and what is given. So A is given, B is given. We have drawn the perpendicular bisector. So let PM be the perpendicular bisector. Now perpendicular bisector है, that means M is the midpoint of AB. So by midpoint formula, first M का coordinates पहले हम लोग firstly we will find the coordinates of M. So M का coordinates हो गया 4 minus 3 by 2, 2 minus 5 by 2. So M मिल गया half minus 3 by 2. So write it down here. Half हो गया minus 3 by 2. M का coordinates लिख लिया. Now we have to find the equation of this perpendicular bisector. So परपेंडिकुलर है तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप्स विल बी -1. यू कैन फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ ए बी. स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 -5 -2 upon -3 -4. So -7 by -7 1 हो गया. Now PM is perpendicular to AB. तो स्लोप ऑफ PM is perpendicular to AB. So slope of PM will be the negative reciprocal of the slope of AB, क्योंकि M1 M2 -1 है. So AB का slope 1 है. So PM का slope इसका negative reciprocal. So -1. Now you can write the equation of PM because you know one point on the line and you know the slope of PM. So equation of PM passing through M half minus 3 by 2 and having slope -1 is y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. So y plus 3 by 2 is -1 into x minus half. So multiply by 2. So 2y plus 3 equal to ये हो जाएगा -2 into x minus half. 2y plus 3 is -2x plus 1. So 2y plus this, okay, 2x यहाँ पे आ गया. So 2x plus 2y, 3 minus 1 2. So plus 2 equal to 0. Again 2 throughout common है. So we have x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So coordinate geometry में in all the chapters of geometry draw the figure. Figure is important. So coordinate geometry में भी if you draw the figure and figure देख के then easily you can answer the question. So perpendicular bisector मतलब this is a line segment. Draw a perpendicular bisector. So ये midpoint हो गया. You can find the coordinates of M by using the midpoint formula. And ये perpendicular है तो AB का slope निकाल सकते हैं. So PM का slope will be the negative reciprocal of the slope of AB. So you know one point on PM and you know the slope of PM. You can easily write the equation of PM. And one more thing, you have to see whether they are asking for equation या फिर length. If they ask you for length of the particular line, then you have to use distance formula. Equation बोला है, then you have to write the equation. So read the question carefully. Next question, probability का question है. A box contains some green, yellow and white balls. Probability of selecting a green ball is 1 by 4 and that of yellow ball is 1 by 3. If the box contains 10 white balls, we have to find total number of balls. And second question, we have to find the probability of selecting a white ball. Okay. So easy question है. Green balls, yellow balls, white balls है. Probability of green ball is given, probability of selecting a yellow ball is given and 10 white balls है. Total number of balls we have to find and probability of selecting a white ball we have to find. Okay, so let G denote the green balls, Y denote the number of yellow balls, W denote the number of white balls. Probability of selecting a green ball, it's already given 1 by 4. Probability of selecting a yellow ball, it is given 1 by 3. We have to find probability of selecting a white ball and total balls we have to find. Number of white balls 10. Okay. Now we know that probability of all the given events, sum of probability of all the given events is 1. So Pg plus Py plus Pw is 1. Pg हो गया 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus Pw is 1. So यहाँ से Pw मिल जाएगा 1 minus this is 7 by 12. So 5 by 12. So probability of selecting a white ball मिल गया. Now total balls के लिए again we will use white ball because we have number of white balls question में दिया हुआ है. So probability of selecting a white ball. What is the formula of probability of any event? Number of white balls upon total number of balls. Probability of selecting a white ball यहाँ पे already हमने निकाल लिया. So 5 by 12 is number of white balls 10 है. 10 upon total balls. So यहाँ से total balls मिल गया 12 into 10 upon 5 which is 24. Now write the answer properly. First question was total number of balls which is 24 and second sub question was probability of getting a white ball which is 5 by 12. Okay. Next question circles का है. In the figure A, B, C and D are points on the circle with center O. So A, B, C, D are points on the circle. Center is O. Angle ABC is 62. ये जो angle है ABC, this angle is 62. We have to find angle ADC and we have to find angle CAB. सबसे पहले whatever angles are given, mark it on the figure properly. And जो भी angles find करना है mark that angle also so that you know you have to find these angles. So ADC हमें find करना है and CAB this angle we have to find. ठीक है. Now we have to find ADC. Always look for कि वो कौन से arc से बना है. ADC it is subtended by arc AC. Now if you can see the figure, same arc AC is also making angle ABC at the circumference. सो दोनों एंगल्स एक ही आर्क से बन रहा है एंड बोथ आर मेड एट द सर्कमफ्रेंस, दैट मीन्स you will use angles in the same segment. Okay, so circles में always see कि ये कौन से arc से subtend हो रहा है. Arc AC is making angle ADC and same arc AC is subtending angle ABC and both are made at the circumference. So you will use angles in the same segment. So angle ABC equal to angle ADC, angles in the same segment. ABC is given 62, so angle ADC is 62. So ये हो गया 62 degree. जो भी angles find कर लिया, mark it with a pencil. Okay, so angle ADC 62, first part is done. Second, we have to find CAB. Now here O is the center, it's already mentioned. So that means AB is the diameter. That means ACB will be 90 because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. अब ये triangle में you know this angle, you know this angle, so you can find BAC by using angle sum property. So angle ACB हो गया 90 degree. Okay, reason angle in a semicircle. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180. तीनों एंगल्स लिख लिया है. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, नाउ ABC 62 है, BAC प्लस ACB इज 90 डिग्री इक्वल टू 180. सो यहाँ से BAC मिल जाएगा 30 डिग्री. ओके, next trigonometry, prove that 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus secant theta is secant theta. LHS 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus secant theta. Now if you see this question, यहाँ पे cross multiply करके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा because if we cross multiply we'll get 1 plus secant theta plus tan square theta. So उसका क्या करेंगे, we can't do anything. So and you need the answer. RHS क्या है, it is in terms of secant theta and tan and secant का there is a formula. So 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1 upon 1 plus secant theta. Now 1 plus here you will use the identity a square minus b square. Okay, so remember this identity. This identity is very often used in trigonometry. So secant square theta minus 1 is secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1 upon 1 plus secant theta. 1 plus secant theta gets cancelled. So we have 1 plus secant theta minus 1. 1 1 cancel हो गया secant theta and that is our RHS. ठीक है. Next question, coordinate geometry. Figure is already given. Line AB is perpendicular to CD. Coordinates of B, C, D are given. We have to find slope of CD. We have to find equation of AB. Now see, AB is perpendicular to CD. ठीक है. Now slope of CD easily मिल जाएगा because C and D line है and इसमें दो points पता है. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. तो slope of CD is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 0. So 4 by 4 slope of CD हो गया. Okay. Equation of AB. Now AB is perpendicular to CD and we know the slope of CD. Slope of CD is 1. So slope of AB will be the negative reciprocal of this because lines are perpendicular. So M1 M2 is minus 1. So slope of AB is minus 1. Okay. Now AB passes through B40 and slope of AB is minus 1. So we can easily write the equation of AB. So equation of AB passing through B40 and having slope minus 1 is y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 is minus 1 into x minus 4. So y is equal to minus x plus 4. So x plus y equal to 4. Okay. Next question. A bag contains 15 balls of which some are white and others are red. If the probability of drawing a red ball is twice that of a white ball, find the number of white balls in the bag. Okay. Now total balls दिया है 15 balls. So total balls 15. That means n is equal to 50. Some are white and others are red. Probability of drawing a red ball is twice that of a white ball. We have to find the number of white balls. So let the number of white balls equal to x. So probability of drawing a white ball equal to x upon 50. Total balls 15 है. So probability of drawing a white ball, number of white balls which is x upon total balls. Number of red balls अभी कितना है? Total balls 15. Number of white balls x हो गया. So number of red balls 15 minus x. So probability of drawing a red ball 15 minus x upon total balls which is 15. Now according to given, what is given? Probability of drawing a red ball is twice that of white ball. So probability of drawing a red ball 15 minus x upon 15. This is twice the probability of drawing a white ball. So 2 into x by 15. 15 cancel ho gaya. So we have 15 minus x equal to 2x. So 15 equal to 3x. So x equal to 5. So there are 5 white balls. So just go through these questions. That's all in this video. Revise all your formula. All the best for your maths exams.